Okay, so for this problem, what we're looking at here is what I clue into is the fact that it has or, and not just the word or, but in the meaning. It's saying how many sets of 5 marbles include either the lavender one or one yellow one, but not both. So what I'm hearing here is, if you remember from the examples, I'm hearing the Ford Escape problem, either leather or cloth. When you order a car, you don't get both, where in other situations the word or, you can get both, which would be something like, would you want, when you're ordering chili, do you want cheese or onions? Well, you could have cheese and onions, and that still qualifies the or. Anyway, inclusive versus exclusive or. Here, we're getting an exclusive or. You get either the lavender or a yellow. So I'm going to do 2 separate problems. The first problem takes care of just the lavender one. So when I do these problems, I have a mantra of take care of the condition first. So out of the lavender one, there's one to choose from, and I'm going to use 1. Now I need to fill in 4 more marbles, and there's no other restrictions other than it can't be a yellow, because we know we can't have a lavender and a yellow. So how many marbles are left for us to pick from the bag? Assuming I'm counting right, I'm getting 10. So out of the 10 marbles, I need to choose 4 more. Now, this is multiplication principle, because I am choosing a lavender, then picking the 4 of the marbles. These things go together to build one large set, or you can kind of think of it as a tree diagram. Since there's only one choice on the lavender, there's only one branch. So I pick my lavender. Now I have marbles to select, then I'm going to have marbles to select. You can see it's a multiplication principle. So that takes care of the first one. This is the number of ways of counting up different sets of marbles, given that, or knowing that you have to have 1 lavender. But now this doesn't completely satisfy our situation. Now we need to do the 1 yellow. So out of the yellows, there are 2 yellows, and I'm going to have exactly 1 of them. So out of the 2 yellows, I must choose 1. Then I must fill in the rest of the set. And we say, how many remaining marbles are there? Well, it's the same 10 marbles, since we're not allowed to have the lavender, and there's 4 to choose from. So this will be the case where we have exactly 1 yellow. This will be the case where we have exactly 1 lavender. And these things, these different cases, you cannot have them occurring simultaneously. You either have one or the other. So therefore, those 2 situations are describing the addition principle. So we're going to add. Go away, little notification. There we go. So punch these in the calculator, and that should take care of your situation. Hope that helped.